Understanding the phrase, stay onside, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, stay onside. This expression can be a bit tricky, but it's a great example of how English often uses sports terminology in everyday language. So, let's dive in. The term, stay onside, originates from sports, particularly in games like football, soccer, and rugby. In these games, being onside refers to following the rules regarding player positions. It's all about being in the right place at the right time. In sports context, stay onside means not crossing the line that marks the offside position. It's a reminder to players to stay within the boundaries set by the rules to avoid penalties. This literal interpretation helps in understanding the metaphorical use of the phrase. In everyday English, stay onside is used metaphorically. It means staying in favor with someone or not doing anything that might upset or annoy them. It's akin to saying, stay in good graces, or don't cross the line. Let's look at some examples. In a workplace, I need to stay onside with my boss until the project is complete. In personal relationships, he's trying to stay onside with his in-laws by offering to help around the house. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts. When using stay onside, remember it's often about maintaining positive relationships. It's not just about following rules, it's about understanding and respecting the unwritten social and professional norms. Stay onside is a versatile phrase with its roots in sports but is widely used in various contexts. Understanding and using such phrases can really enrich your English communication skills. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining stay onside. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.